I can only speak for my practice, but I would just say a business in general where you're going to have a long-term interaction with someone, there is a sense you get as soon as you start interacting with that business of their level of essentially giving you the feeling that we do this every day. We think about exactly how to do this, and don't worry, we will think of everything. It's not your job to think here. It's our job to teach you. It's our job to guide you, but have no fear, we've got you. And so when you call and you speak to my assistant, the questions she starts asking you are detailed, maybe things that you haven't thought about per se. And she just starts teaching you and talking to you about what the operations are. We have patients send in photos that we can look at. We send them an audio of me talking about my impressions of what I see, what I think they might benefit from. Of course, what they benefit from is, of course, their goals. So we want people to write a very detailed paragraph about what exactly are your goals. I don't see my place as to tell people what is correct or beautiful, or I'm not here to interpret what concerns them. And I'm not here to put new concerns in their mind. I'm not here to sell them anything. So I want to know exactly what bothers you. And then I want to tell you how I think I can be helpful and what's unique about what I do. On the audio, usually I'll talk about technique-specific things that I do that are unique to my practice. That might be securing the breast fold in a breast lift, which is, I think, critically important to creating a beautiful breast shape in a lift. Unfortunately, many lifts don't have any support. Once you interact with my assistant, and then once you hear me technically talking about structurally what is required to make this operation nice and what I'm doing that's unique, I think that you realize that you're in the hands of someone who is just an engineer thinking about how to solve problems. And these are structural problems. And I've been thinking about these problems for 11 years, and I'm constantly honing my craft. And once you know that, I don't know, I think you know that if you like my work, you're in the right place.